So we are making the prawns biryani. So let's add some. These prawns have been soaked in salt water for 30 minutes. Then we are going to add some chili powder, coriander powder, light garam masala, light turmeric powder, salt, not much if you have soaked these in salt water. Then we are going to add biryani masala, add much if you want it spicy. Then we are going to add yogurt or the curd, ginger garlic paste, and ghee. Next, dry items like fried onions, coriander leaves, mint leaves. Mix this well for 2 minutes. So after mixing this, leave it for at least 1 hour. Now we will be roasting these biryani spices: cloves, black cardamom, ilachi, cinnamon, star and bay leaf in the oil. So we will wait until this water gets boiled. Meanwhile, we will be roasting all the marinated prawns in this pan for 5 minutes. So that way whatever is like the cooking will be very fast, because the prawns doesn't take much time unlike the chicken. So that's what we are going to do. So we will wait until this water gets boiled. Make sure this water has a lot of salt in it, so that way the rice would be very tasteful, even if the rice doesn't have any masala in it. And we will be roasting our prawns marination in this pan for 5 minutes. Make sure you marinate in ghee for best results. Nobody likes eating the spices directly, so that's why we are going to remove the most of the spices, because the rice will already have those flavors in it. Add some water in the prawns, so that way it will get boiled easily. At the same time, once the rice has started boiling over here, then we are going to dump the first layer into the prawns. are going to add the second layer of the rice. Since I am using very little amount of rice, this would be my final layer. Spread the rice all over to every corner. Once the final layer has been added, add the coriander leaves. Add the mint leaves. I like mint a lot. Add the fried onions. Add the ghee. Now these two are optional but adds a lot of flavor to the biryani. Rose water. If you are making Hyderabadi biryani, rose water is very important. Next one, to increase the flavor of aroma, kevra water. Now we are going to seal this one with the batter I made. We will be sealing this one tightly. Now we are going to seal this one. Gently seal every corner. Make sure no pressure gets leaked out. Now keep this in low for at least 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and then the biryani is ready. We are going to wait for 30 minutes. Keep the stove low or the ceiling, and after 30 minutes open the lid slowly. There will be a lot of pressure built in, and once you open, begin the bottom layer, push it to the top and leave it for 15 minutes lighter so that all the moisture gets out, so that way the biryani will be fluffy. And let's see how it turns out. So it's been more than 22 minutes I would say. So after this, what we will be doing is we will be opening the lid, use knife to cut the batter and let the moisture go out for 5 minutes, best would be 10 minutes, and then dig in the rice from the bottom, and after 5 minutes, yippee, you can have the biryani. Now this is the time to play. Ta-da! The biryani is ready. Thanks for watching the making of prawns biryani. Hope we come up with some other new recipe next week. Until then, catch you later. Bye bye, and don't forget to comment, like, or subscribe on this channel for new recipes. Thank you. Bye bye.